within this beautiful park was a home to a very special raccoon family. Over 5 weeks, I had the incredible opportunity to document their lives and watch them grow. This cozy tree trunk was their world, a safe haven for a mother raccoon and her 3 adorable kits. When I first spotted them, they were small, sleepy, and stayed close to their mom, but as the days went by, their personalities began to shine. Raccoon kits love to play. They chase, wrestle, and even groom each other, strengthening their sibling bond. Grooming isn't just about keeping clean, it's also a way to show affection. Always there for them, nursing them and keeping them warm. Did you know raccoon mothers are incredibly devoted? They'll fiercely protect their young and teach them vital survival skills. As they grew, the roles began to shift. The kits started grooming their mom, a sweet gesture showing how much they've learned from her care. Eventually, the little ones grew too big to fit in their cozy tree hole. This was the beginning of their next big adventure, learning to navigate the world outside their tree. It was bittersweet to watch them leave their tree hole, but I knew it was time for them to grow and explore the world. This journey reminded me of the beauty of nature and the bonds that connect us all. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to see more wildlife adventures.